Raise your arms into Warrior 2. Exhale, leaning forward, taking the arms up, inhaling and repeat. Twist hips, lowering the hands and push forward. Circle your arms over into a reverse warrior and repeat. Front to back with hands and circle overhead, then repeat. Hold open in half moon. Bring your hands down and hold in a low lunge. Push your front leg up and over into a bent single leg down dog and hold. Transfer your weight forward, bringing your knee through to your nose and then into single leg down dog and repeat. Step through into pyramid and hold. Repeat on the other side.